Hey guys, come and do this builder gel infill with me. This is my old nail set here, and this is the nail set that I ended up with. I love them. They are Tiffany inspired and perfect for summer. So I'm just going to show you a quick time lapse of me removing the bulk of gel from my nails. Not going to include the full removal, just this sped up version. And once the bulk is all removed from the nails and I take down the length a small bit, I'm just going to go in with my cuticle pusher and push back those cuticles gently to expose any protein growth on the nail. And once the cuticles are pushed back, I'm going to go in with my cuticle bit and my e-file from Melody Susie, and I'm going to just gently remove the protein growth on the nail. So I'm not going in with any pressure here. I am just going in with light pressure at 5,000 RPMs and gently removing the protein growth and pushing back the cuticle even further. Okay, so next is the sanding band. This is a fine grit sanding band, and I'm just going to go in over my natural nail and the regrowth and any lifting that I see. So this has lifted a little bit near the free edge, so I'm just gently filing it off with this sanding band. And then I'm kind of going over the surface of the nail that the gel was left on, just kind of evening everything out, making it nice and smooth for the next application. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with these lint-free nail wipes from Clavier. I got these in my local nail and beauty supply shop, and they are actually really good. One of the best lint-free wipes I've tried. So just going to put some acetone on that wipe and clean off the dust and everything from my nail before I go in with this base coat, which is the Glitter Bells HEMA-free base coat. So I'm just going to gently scrub that into my nail and drag it down the nail bed. Okay, so this is the builder gel application. This is Glitter Bells in the shade Cookie Cream. And I'm just going to go in with a slip layer here. Do not cure this layer, just paint this layer on. And then once you're finished, go in with a bigger bead of gel on your brush and gently from side to side, just kind of drag and float that gel down the nail. Now, I'm just going to let you watch this part, but notice how I get my liner brush and I help it. The liner brush really helps the gel move into those places where it's really hard to get. And also when you're doing this, also keep checking your reflection in the light, because it will help you see just how well you're applying that gel. And the better you are able to apply at this stage, the less refining you'll have to do or finish filing afterwards. Okay, this colour is Tiffany from the Gel Bottle Ink, and I'm going to go in and do 3 coats of this just to get that full coverage look. Okay, so when I was doing this nail set, I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I just knew I wanted this colour. So I decided to do one of the fingers French tip, and I'm just going to go in now and paint on this French with that colour Tiffany. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous colour for summer. It's not one that I would usually go for, so I just wanted to kind of step out of my comfort zone and go for colours that I usually wouldn't go for. My last two sets have been colours that I usually would not go for, so I think I'm on a green kind of a vibe at the moment. So I'm just going to paint on this French here, and I'm just eyeballing it and working as I go. Just keep on checking from every angle to see, does it look good from your angle and from the opposite angle. So here I am just painting it on, and next step I'm going to go in and outline this French with the colour #bling, which is also from the Gel Bottle ink. I'm going to also do a reverse French on the index finger with this. So this is me doing the reverse French first, and this is so pigmented. This silver is so pigmented. It's just a joy to work with. I love the Gel Bottle inks glitters. They are, especially these ones, they're kind of leafy glitters. They're just stunning. They're so full coverage. So I'm just going to do the reverse French here and outline the other French straight after. Okay, so I decided that it needed something a little bit extra, so I added in this little daisy, and I think it's so cute. I think it just finishes off the design perfectly. So it is the colour #bling again for the centre, and then the Gel Bottle inks daisy, which is their white. And yeah, I'm really happy I added in that daisy. I think it's super cute. Then I'm just going to go in with my top coat, and if you made it this far, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much if you did. And yeah, I'm just going to make sure I get a generous even coat, a top coat over all the nails. And this is the Gel Bottle inks Extreme Shine Top Coat, and I cure this then for 60 seconds, but I usually double cure at the end, so I'll usually do 120 seconds, because just for safety, when everything is finished, make sure it's locked in and all that stuff. But yeah, thank you so much if you made it this far, and comment down below if you have any questions about anything I've used in this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.